Hi, I'm Dale Popovich, and I'd love to have you join me at Dillman's in 2025 for one of my 2 watercolor workshops. That's more than just about technique, it's about learning to truly see the world around you. Watercolor has been my passion for as long as I can remember, but my journey has not been a straight path. More than 50 years ago, I had lost 80% of my sight due to a cyst on the optic nerve. After a 9-hour surgery, I had to relearn everything. I had to learn how to walk again, I had to learn how to climb stairs, and I had to learn how to write my name. But when vision finally returned, something incredible actually happened. I saw the world around me much more clearly than I had before. The unnecessary details faded, and I learned to focus on the essence of a scene. And the way that scene became my foundation of my work and my teaching. Growing up, I spent my summers in the north woods of Wisconsin. I was surrounded by towering pines, shimmering lakes, and ever-changing skies. That's where I developed my deep love for the landscape and my holistic approach to watercolor. But more importantly, it's where I learned painting isn't just about putting color on paper. It's observation, about stripping away the noise and capturing the purity of the moment, the light, the atmosphere, the energy of the place. That's what I want to share with you at Dillman's. I'll teach you how to simplify the subject, see the values clearly, and use watercolor's natural beauty to create a powerful, light-filled painting. I'll show you how to break down the scene into shapes, how to control the washes while embracing the spontaneity, and how to bring the depth and atmosphere into your work. My goal is to help you see like an artist so you can paint with confidence and clarity. Whether you're starting your watercolor journey or you're looking to refine your skills, these watercolor workshops are designed to help you truly see and paint with confidence. Dillman's is the perfect place to immerse yourself in art, nature, and community. I hope you join me in 2025. Let's paint something beautiful.